So good morning to everyone. So in this class we are going to discuss about electrodes and its types. So first of all, what is meant by electrode? So as I specified earlier, electrode is nothing but transducer. So what is meant by transducer? Transducer is nothing but it converts the one form of energy into another form of energy. So in that bio signal, that is electrode, so we are having biosignal. So the biosignal is converted into electrical signal, that is the ionic current is converted into electrical current. So that is the use of electrode. Okay, so here we are having three types of electrode. One is microelectrode, and depth and needle electrode, and surface electrode. So this slide shows the details for surface electrode. So in surface electrodes, we have larger area electrodes and smaller area electrodes. In surface electrode we have smaller area electrodes and larger area electrodes. So larger area electrodes for measurement of ECG potential. So ECG means what? Electrocardiogram. Okay, so this is for ECG potential. Smaller area electrodes for measurement of EEG, that is electroencephalogram, and EMG, electromyogram potential. And these are the types of surface electrode: metal plate electrode, suction cup electrode, adhesive tape electrode, and multi-point electrode, and floating electrode. So these are the types of surface electrode. Surface electrode we have larger area surface electrode for measuring ECG potential, and smaller area electrodes for measuring EEG and EMG potential. And further it has 5 types of surface electrode: metal plate electrode, suction cup electrode, adhesive tape electrode, multi-point electrode, and floating electrode. Right? So the next, so this slide shows the metal plate electrode. So this is the size of the metal plate electrode. So this shows the diagram shows the metal plate electrode. So it has a rectangular shape. So its shape is 3 centimeter into 5 centimeter, and circular diameter is 4.75 centimeter. 4.75 centimeter in shape. Okay, the metal used in metal plate electrode: German silver, nickel plated steel for ECG measurements. So already surface electrode for ECG measurement only, but metal plate electrodes also used for measuring the ECG measurements. So this is a shape of the metal plate electrode, and this is the surface of the metal plate electrode. So here contact surface and lead wire terminal, and rubber belt support and lead wire. So these are the components which are used in the surface electrode. So this is a surface of the surface electrode. The next is suction cup electrode. So this slide shows the suction cup electrodes. So here flat surface of the body and to regions where the underlying tissues is soft. Physically large, but only rim and smaller area is in contact to the skin. So in the type of suction cup electrode, we are using the very smaller area, right? So the tissue is very soft, means it is very useful for measuring the potential. So in that case we are using the suction cup electrodes. So this diagram shows the suction cup electrode. The next is adhesive tape electrode. The pressure of the surface electrode against the skin may squeeze the electrode paste out. So this type of electrodes are used. So light metallic screen backed by a pad for electrode paste. So this diagram shows the adhesive tape electrode. So this slide shows the disposable form of pad electrode.